Hey guys, I'm Marcus aka M4G, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to play Liftoff here. In this copter simulator I've chosen a racetrack because I'd like to chase some cars today. The cool thing is here that the cars are also moving and drifting, but first of all some practice. Can we take this one? Oh yeah, that works. Maybe the next one? Ooh. Can we take this? Yeah. There's another one, Oh yeah. Maybe some changing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's good. Cool. Let's have a look where some cars are. There's a red car. Oh yeah, oh, I have an idea. Let me just try this one. And now, oh yeah, another car. Perfect shot. Oh, it's kind of random. That was not planned yet. What I like is to stay close to the car and then give some weight to the car, show the track as well, and maybe do some tricks. So like this is cool. Oh yeah, I like it. I like it. That's good. It's kind of cool. And then come close again to the car and stay close, very close, very close. Try not to take the angle from totally behind. I like it more from, yeah, left behind or right behind, not from totally back. This is great. And then take it again, the car, yeah, that's cool. So this is maybe something I like. That's good, that's good. Cool. Hey, that's me from the future. While editing, I noticed that I haven't showed you my quad and my rates maybe you're interested in. So let's check out the quad first. What I was trying to reproduce is my GepRC Crocodile 7.5 version 3. I'm flying it with the Air Unit 03 and I was kinda trying to reproduce it so it feels like my original one. So as the quad body, I have the Luma 5 with a weight of 290 grams. As battery, I've chosen the S-Line 6 as battery and the weight is 226 grams. As motors, I've chosen the custom Vortex Pro, and this is a motor size of 2204 with a kV of 2300 kV and with a weight of 30 grams. For props, I've chosen the HG props 6035 two-blade ones. Originally, I think in the car on the quad, I have 3 or 4 blades. I'm quite not sure yet, but just check out the homepage if you're interested in, because I'm using the standard GepRC Crocodile. Here for the camera, I've chosen just the camera. And for the action, I have the Luma 5 Action Cam selected. Weight of 133 grams. And antenna, here the Soupape Micro. Soupape, is it called Soupape? I think so. Soupape Micro with a weight of 1.6 gram. Okay, and let me show you my rates if you're interested in. The roll, pitch and yaw is set RC rate to 1.00 and the rate is 0.6, and I'm using very much of expo, so in this case I'm using 0.6. That's kind of 60% expo for roll and pitch, and for the yaw I have 48%. So the maximum velocity for roll and pitch is 500 and the maximum yaw is 400. As I'm just going to do some cinematic stuff and chasing cars and stuff like this, I have very small rates. But for kinda simple freestyle, it's totally enough for me. But I feel more comfortable with these kind of rates. And I've also chosen an expo of 30 here at the throttle. So I'm using the throttle expo, but only in the LiftOff, not in real. I hope you liked it and enjoyed the video, a small one. It was just the idea to chase some cars here. Maybe I'm going to have more videos like this. We will see. If you like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, that would be great. I'm going to do some more like this. Tell me in the comments what you think, what should I do, some flying somewhere else or once again here at the flying circuit. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye bye.